Andrew, what have you picked for the AIM Fantasy League?
I have picked Falkland Oil and Gas.
Even though oil has hit rock bottom?
Absolutely.
Please elaborate on that.
Well, do you honestly think that commodity prices are going to stay as low as they are for the rest of the year?
Where is the floor? That is the big question.
Well, I think it's sort of more to the point if we look to the last couple of weeks. Yeah, obviously oil went below $50 a barrel. We've seen oil spike back up a couple of percent over the last few days.
Couple of percent.
But let's put it this way, who's winning the competition at the moment? Would that be me? I think it might be.
We'll see. A year is a long time though.
Yeah.
This is what, beginning of February?
Yeah, but it's not just that though, is it? I mean, I think on a more serious note, it's a dual play really. It's the fact that they've got some major projects that they're working on, that they've got pre-approval for, the funding's already there. They've got major partners in the space, like Premier Oil, for example, where the projects are already completely funded. And then we'll see how we go.
So we're not going to see an AFRAM from your stock?
I think it's unlikely.
Yeah? Famous last words?
Possibly. But over the last couple of years, the stock has been above £1 a share, trading at around 28 pence even now after a 35% rise since the beginning of the year. So
I think at December you was down to about 16p.
We were.
Does that worry you?
Not at all.
Okay.
I think, you just got to put it one way. Find a little bit of oil, find a little bit of gas.
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. There we go.
Right.
Okay, Lauren, so enough about my stock.
Okay.
So you've picked some random gaming company that probably nobody's heard of. So
no, I doubt they have. It's called PCG Entertainment. It only floated on AIM, I think, 4th of December last year. It's a startup company, expecting quite big things this year. Fingers crossed.
So what on earth made you pick a company with absolutely no tangible assets or anything?
Well, you do know that I love an emerging market. This company, PCG Entertainment, their main target audience is China.
Fair enough.
So world's biggest population, we have massive scope for growth there. They are looking to arrange poker tournaments, so we've got big gambling population. China's also the biggest, world's second biggest purchaser of lottery tickets, and they're looking to go into lottery ticket sales, so ka-ching. They're also looking at virtual currencies as well as kind of like internet services and telephone services. So could you imagine you've got a smartphone and PCG Entertainment have targeted that? You can purchase your lottery tickets on your phone with your virtual currency.
Okay.
I mean, this whole thing is just...
Okay, so virtual currency, we had a massive negative story in the FT this morning. So,
I think...
do we think that's a positive sign for the company or a negative sign for the company?
I think all publicity is good publicity. So we will see over the coming year what happens around the whole Bitcoin virtual currency spectrum.
So, and what's your aspirations on the pricing? As if, since it's the start of the competition, they've moved exactly...
I don't know, I had a little bit of a upward trend the other day. I think I was top of the leaderboard.
Be serious. The spread went from like this to about this, and then it went back to about this again, didn't it?
I think the very small spread works in my favour. I think I'm going to sit comfortably in the middle of the board for a while, and then I'm hoping that I'm going to have a bit of a Concha PLC moment where they skyrocket 2,000%. Job done. PCG Entertainment is the winner.
Well, I'm sure we'll see. My version, I think it's unlikely and a bit of a punt, but I'll take your lead on that.
Yeah, maybe. I think with great risk could come great reward though. So see you at the top of the leaderboard.
Well, we'll see, won't we?
Yeah.